Hi, I am Austin Hager with Sunset Cadillac. Today I'm going to give you an overview of the first ever Cadillac CT6's 3.0 liter V6 twin turbo engine. The CT6's twin turbo engine delivers over 400 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque, resulting in effortless acceleration that is exceptionally responsive. And the engine features industry-first cylinder deactivation for outstanding efficiency and automatic stop-start technology, resulting in performance that is just as smart as it is powerful. Experience the first ever Cadillac CT6 today, only at Sunset Cadillac, Sarasota, Bradenton, Venice.